How often do you receive the written testimonial for your services? I would like to read that. Dear Shem, I recently asked you to replace 2 very old and heavy nitrogen heaters in the flat situated on 2nd floor of a small block of flats. You very quickly sent me information about the type of heater we could use. You asked for a video of the spaces and of the electricity board so that you could identify what was needed in order to replace the heaters and be compliant with the regulations. Important thing. Having agreed on what was needed and the price, we set a date. I felt confident in leaving you in the flat, even though the tenant was not present. You completed the work in the time stated, left the areas where you work clean and tidy, and removed the rubbish and the old heaters, which was such a relief given the weight involved in those old storage heater bricks. I have no hesitation in recommending Solid Electric Limited. I will certainly use you again if and when the need for an electrician arises. Best wishes, Jackie. Thank you, Jackie, very much. That's very important for me personally as a business owner, as a local electrician. So thank you again, and looking forward to work with you again.